Anyway, I'm just gonna thanks to Paula Nunez for supporting Sara Duterte in 2028. Because, for me, everyone are supporting Sara. Oh, let me get this straight. If you imagine this, that Vico Soto is not running for highest position, and that's okay for him. He's not running for highest position, but there only will run for the highest position is Sara Duterte. Oh, I don't know what will be happen. Isko Moreno is not running for Vice President of the Philippines. He's running for Mayor of Manila. But everyone are supporting Sara Duterte. Like I said, Mang Manny, Paula Colin Nunez, Lawrence Villawan, Jens Manaid, and everyone are supporting Sara Duterte. Oh, because Lawrence Villawan told me, he said to me, will he ever vote Sara Duterte and Bongo for tandem? And that's okay for Sara Duterte and Bongo. It will be happen in 2028. So what will be a reaction for Nino Barsaga, Sangkay Janjan, Romeo TV Vlogs, o Paulo Cruzada, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, even Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, and including Wawel Romero. I say to them, even those BBM supporters, umanda kayo kay Sara Duterte because she's gonna return in Malacanang Palace by 2028. And of course, if Sara Duterte will use her father's legacy, he will release release a pardon to Kingdom of Jesus Christ, Apollo Kibuloy, who is close ally of Duterte's, and even not only Apollo Kibuloy, even Harry Roque will return in the Philippines, and especially Rodrigo Duterte. He might be interim released by ICC. So for me, everyone are supporting Sara Duterte. Nobody support Bongbong Marcos. Remember that Paulo Cruzada. Everyone hates Marcos. Remember that, Kuya Copio, Teacher Alexandra Pagkalinawan, Wawel Romero, Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, Romeo TV Vlogs, Nino Barsaga, and Sangkay Janjan. You cannot defeat Sara Duterte. As I imagine, everyone supports Sara. Me and Mang Manny, we join forces to support Sara Duterte. Even Tito Mac is supporting Sara Duterte. Tito Mac endorsed Sara. He did not endorse Bongbong Marcos. Everyone are Sara. I voted only Sara Duterte and Bongo for president and vice president. Because I know Rodrigo Duterte, he cannot run for vice president of the Philippines. He's very old. He will retire from politics.